Little London, Westmoreland. The murder of the 19-year-old farmer has sparked an outrage in Jamaica. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite Jamaican, I'm Rastafari, so the up people TV. If this is your first time tuning in, ladies and gentlemen, hit that red subscribe button and we're going to have a great relationship, ladies and gentlemen. The tranquil township of Little London, Westmoreland, Jamaica. The rhythm of life was disrupted by an act of violence that had left the resident and larger Jamaica community in shock despite this situation being circulated. The place is in despair at this moment as a 19-year-old farmer, Enrico Chambers, endearingly known as Rico, lost his life to a brutal altercation that unfolded Thursday afternoon at Top Hill Road. According to eyewitness, Chambers was at his sister's residence when he became embroiled in a heated argument with an unidentified man. The confrontation escalated quickly and the suspect left the scene only to return brandishing machetes. Despite attempt to flee the scene to find refuge under an ackee tree, Chambers was pounced upon after pursued and fatally wounded by the assailants. In a heroic display of community spirit, locals rushed Chambers to aid, transporting him to a hospital. Sadly, the young farmer was pronounced dead on arrival. The event has added to the growing number of homicides in Jamaica, shocking fear among citizens and raising questions about government's handling of escalated crime rate. The murder has triggered a significant reaction from the public, especially on social media platforms. Users have expressed their anger and dismay over the incident, calling for urgent change in addressing youth behavior and violence in the country. Amid the public outcry, the authorities are actively investigating the case, with one suspect already being apprehended and search for the second suspect on the way. The police have also issued appeal for any information that could aid the resolution of this tragic case. As the community of Little London mourns, they also hope for justice for Enrico Chambers, reminding us all of our urgent need to foster a culture for dialogue and non-violence, particularly amongst youth, ladies and gentlemen. This is another shocking situation that's now happening in Westmoreland. It appears that Westmoreland has become a bed of murder and mayhem here in Jamaica, and my people of the West deserve more than that. So I am telling you, my people should be looking at 2024 as a change year where the local elections and the people them that are in power that's allowing this destruction and mayhem to live and foster in our community. To have this young man right here, 19-year-old farmer, young Enrico Chambers, taken away. It's another tragedy where a parent have to be burying a child. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know what else we can do other than SOEs, but me I tell you, if you vote out the people them in the community that's running the community, if honor crime is high. Here we have a tranquil city as Little London in a Westmoreland. Honor here white name, Little London. Then that means enough of the money strong. Enrico Chambers, a young youth. Yes, me know youths getting an argument, but they said there were two assailants left the location, returned brandishing machetes. use the machete and chop up the youth even after the youth run off. Try to find refuge under ackee tree, but it was futile because the two assailants caught up to him. It appears that it's in his age group these assailants are, and one already has been held by the Westmoreland police. Ladies and gentlemen, the police asking for any information that can help bring in the other accused. Leave your comment on this one, ladies and gentlemen. What we as Jamaicans can do to lower the crime, especially the murder rate in our beautiful, beautiful island. Subscribe, like, and share to the channel. Leave your comment. That's what's important. I want to hear from you. What can Jamaica do to lower the murder rate amongst me and you? I'm Rastafari Soldier here, ladies and gentlemen. Deep Roots TV. I'm more life and I'm more joy. Of course, more knowledge.